Here's a convertible to take a look at. Unique, especially in classics. 1992 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed mileage, a little over 56,000 on this one. Brilliant black in color, tan interior. Go ahead and take a look at the nose on this one, or front face if you will. The black does show some imperfections. You'll find a few touch-ups here and there. A couple over on this side, there's that one there. But overall, hey, fun summer car. Get in, turn the key, go have some fun. 1.6 liter underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. That's paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. If you want to see the still pictures, so you can look at that engine bay, check out the undersides of this car, interior, trunk. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Picture the window sticker in with those pictures also, so you can see the exact options. This is equipped with, does have an aftermarket Alpine stereo system in it that has been added. It is in working order, and it also has the head rest speakers. Those are in working order, as well as the AC on this car. If I mentioned that earlier, it does blow cold. I want to make sure you know that. Nice little summer feature to have, of course. So the black dash, also in nice shape. We'll take a look at the top on this one too. It's a camel color to match the interior here in a second. That is also in nice shape, nice camel vinyl top. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There'll be still pictures of the trunk area, as well as behind the seats and with the top up, so you can look at all that. But you can see the paint on it. It does have a nice shine to it. Shows well, but like I said earlier, there's a few small imperfections here and there. Take a look through those still pictures. Over 100 pictures of this car online, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Riding on Michelin radials. Be able to check out the tread depth in the still pictures and see that. Tires are looking good on this one. We do have a little wear over here in this driver's seat, as you can see. Make sure I point that out. Other than that, the seat's not looking bad at all. A windscreen back here, as well as that chrome style bar going across the rear. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. There's the exact miles too, over here, 56,651. All right, now there's no warning indicators. Once that airbag light goes off, no check engine light, anything like that. There's your oil pressure. Fuel gauge working, that was a cold start, FYI. Mentioned the dash a little earlier. No cracks. Really much aging at all. There is that Alpine stereo system. And again, it is in working order.
Hot 96.7 goes with you anywhere.
And those headrest speakers, very nice on these cars. Make it a lot easier to hear it driving down the road with wind noise and what have you. And plus you got the windscreen back there too. So slip around to the back, hear it run. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop that hood, check out that engine bay, and then we'll take a peek at the convertible top and wrap this up. So let me pause this, get the hood open. All right, underneath the hood, and again, 1.6 liter, 4-cylinder, dual overhead cam engine, power steering, power brakes, nice and clean underneath there. Obviously, not driven in any sort of inclement weather. Not going to get around in one of these too well in a Midwest winter, so it keeps the miles down. Only 56,000 in 1992, and as I mentioned earlier, clean Carfax also. No accidents indicated. All these little stickers that are on the fenders that have the VIN on them, I have those out right there. Both front fenders. There's one in each of the doors. There's one in the rear quarters. You'll see all those pictures in the still pictures also. All right, so that's the engine bay. let's go ahead and pause this and we'll flip up that convertible top and then wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go with the top up. Camel vinyl colored top. Free of rips, tears, holes. Needed to keep you dry or out of the sun. Going to serve its purpose just fine. FYI, it is a glass rear window. And these are manual. One person can put them up in a matter of less than a minute though. Not a problem there. See how nice and tight it fits above the windshield. Nice shape. 1992 Mazda Miata. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with sales associate.